How to remove best friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually remove best friends on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you know that there are best friends and super BFF and BFF type of thing on Snapchat, right? So basically what you have to do is, if you open up Snapchat and then you come to the, let's say, chat page over here, and you have a couple of best friends, the very first thing, in order to remove best friends, you have to understand how they were added in your best friends list in the first place. So Snapchat basically adds someone in your best friends list when they notice that you frequently exchange snaps. So when you've been frequently exchanging snaps with each other for maybe 3 consecutive days, 4 consecutive days, and so on, Snapchat is going to add them to your best friends list. And the way to remove the best friends list is by using the algorithm again, which means that you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage, which means that I'm telling you, basically, if they were added to you by exchanging snaps and added to you by being a best friend, in order to remove them from your best friends, you need to do exactly the opposite, which is just simply stop snapping each other at all. And that's basically how it works. So if you stop snapping each other, Snapchat actually notices that, and the algorithm is going to remove them from your best friends list automatically, because there aren't any type of thing that you can do in order to remove the best friends list on Snapchat. So I hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.